Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Google Chrome slow download speed. Click on Chrome browser, type chrome//flags, click enter. In search box type parallel download, select and enable it. Right click on start button, click on run. Type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Right click on Wi-Fi, click on properties, click on Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties, select use the following DNS server address, preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1, alternative DNS server 1.0.0.1, click on OK, click on exit, go to Windows search bar, type cmd, right click run as administrator, type ipconfig /flush DNS, click enter, exit. That's it. Thanks for watching.